everyone, welcome back to CosySpace Living, your go-to channel for all things apartment inspo, interior design, and decor ideas. I'm Cora, and if you love making small spaces feel cozy, chic, and absolutely you're in the right place. Today, we'll be diving into some small apartment decorating tips for every style, so whether you're a minimalist, bohemian, or modern enthusiast, there's something for everyone. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to comment below with your own design tips or any questions you have. I love hearing from you all. Now, let's get started. The first step to decorating any small space is to define your personal style. Is it Scandinavian minimalist? Maybe a touch of industrial with a hint of vintage? The key here is consistency. In a small apartment, you want to avoid too many conflicting styles, as this can make the space feel cluttered. Stick to a color palette and materials that reflect your style, whether that's sleek black metal and exposed wood for an industrial look, or soft pastels and clean lines for a minimalist feel. Remember, defining your style doesn't mean you can't mix and match, it's all about balance. For example, mixing modern furniture with boho textiles can create a chic yet inviting look. When decorating small apartments, space is always at a premium. That's why multifunctional furniture is a game changer. Think sofas that double as beds, coffee tables with storage, or even fold-out desks. These pieces allow you to get more use out of the limited space you have while keeping the apartment chic and functional. Multifunctional furniture is especially great for studio apartments where the living and sleeping areas often overlap. With the right pieces, you can create zones within your apartment that serve different purposes without feeling cramped. Invest in furniture that does double duty and you'll notice how much space you can free up. In a small apartment, floor space is limited, but don't forget about your walls. Vertical space can be a lifesaver when it comes to both storage and decorating. Floating shelves, hanging plants, and even wall-mounted desks are fantastic ways to keep the floor clear while adding character to your apartment. Shelving not only offers a practical solution for storing books or decor items, but it also helps draw the eye upward, making your space feel larger and more open. You can even add a stylish pegboard in your kitchen or office for a functional yet trendy way to store essentials. Utilizing vertical space will keep your apartment organized and visually appealing. Neutral tones are your best friend when it comes to small spaces. Soft whites, creams, grays, and pastels make a room feel larger and more open, while also creating a calming atmosphere. Mirrors are another trick for creating the illusion of more space. Place a large mirror opposite a window to reflect natural light throughout the room, instantly making the space feel brighter and more airy. Whether you're into modern, Scandinavian, or even rustic styles, neutral tones and mirrors blend seamlessly into any decor theme. These elements work together to open up your space and make it feel cozy yet uncluttered. Nothing says cozy like layers of different textures. Even in a small apartment, you can create depth and warmth by layering textiles like rugs, throws, and pillows. Try mixing a plush wool blanket with cotton cushions, or placing a shaggy rug under a sleek coffee table. Textures add interest and comfort to your home, making it feel more lived in and inviting. This tip works no matter your style, whether you prefer clean, modern lines or a more eclectic, bohemian feel. Textures not only enhance the coziness factor, but they also add personality to your small space without overwhelming it. Lighting is key when it comes to small apartment decorating. Avoid relying on harsh overhead lighting, which can make a space feel small and sterile. Instead, use a combination of floor lamps, table lamps, and even string lights to create soft, ambient lighting. If you're a fan of a cozy vibe, warm-toned bulbs can instantly make a room feel more inviting. Lighting can also be used as a statement piece. Consider unique lampshades or pendant lights that fit your personal style. Whether you're going for minimalist, rustic, or glam, the right lighting can elevate your small apartment from basic to brilliant. Your apartment should reflect who you are, and one of the best ways to do that is by incorporating artwork and personal items. Whether it's a gallery wall featuring your favorite prints or a shelf displaying cherished mementos, these items bring a sense of personality and warmth to your space. Don't be afraid to mix and match different art styles or frame colors to add some eclectic charm. If you're working with a particularly small space, consider smaller pieces of art or even using your existing decor as a backdrop for framed photos or art pieces. This way, you can create a layered, collected look that's uniquely yours. Plants are a fantastic way to add life to any apartment, no matter the size. Not only do they improve air quality, but they also add a splash of color and texture to your space. Whether you go for small succulents or larger floor plants, Greenery can help soften hard lines and bring a fresh, cozy feel to your home. For small spaces, vertical gardens or hanging planters are a great option to save floor space while still reaping the benefits of nature. Even if you're not a plant expert, low-maintenance plants like snake plants or ZZ plants are perfect for adding that chic, green touch to your apartment. And that's it for today's video. I hope these tips have given you some fresh ideas for making your small apartment chic, cozy, and truly reflective of your style. Remember, no matter the size of your space, with a little creativity and intention, you can turn it into a home that feels warm, welcoming, and totally you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to CosySpace Living, and leave a comment below with your favorite tip or how you plan to decorate your small apartment. I can't wait to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.